The question came up about whether or not you can create a matching section in a test that you make in Google Forms. The answer is no, not in the traditional sense of two columns, a column of words and a column of definitions say that you want them to match and pick which go together, but you can do something called a multiple choice grid, which essentially accomplishes the same thing. So I'm in Google Forms. I'm going to go ahead and create a new form. I'll give it a title. Matching practice. And then I'll click on the questions. And I have some choices over here. Notice that this is the new way Google Forms displays. If you have not yet chosen to display the new version, all of these features are still available in the old version of Google Forms. I'm going to go ahead and pick multiple choice grid, and I get some options for rows and columns. I'm going to put a few word choices in. And then I'm going to put in my columns some definitions that match my words. Okay, and when I'm finished, I can either go on and make some more questions for my test or be done, whichever the case may be. I'd like to kind of take a peek and look at how it looks before I finish. You can do that by previewing in the new Google Forms display. It's the little eyeball up here. So I'm going to click my little eyeball, and here's my little matching practice. I didn't title my question, but you could put your directions in this section. Choose one that fits the best definition of the word. The default is that they can only pick one. There is a way to change that. If you were to choose that there were more than one correct definition. For now, I'm going to leave it defaulted as one because that would probably be the most common use of a matching. And they can come along and pick the answers that best fit the word, and then go ahead and click it submit, and the results would come to you. And it's as easy as that. So maybe that will be a workaround for a matching section in a test that you're creating on Google Forms.